In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto-generate slides with the help of ChatGPT here in Google Slides. This innovative approach can save time and effort, making the creation of your presentation much smoother and faster. But first, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model that can understand and generate human-like text, making it a powerful tool for a variety of tasks like content creation, answering questions, and of course, generating presentation slides. So let's go ahead and open ChatGPT first. Then you're going to start with a new chat right here. What we're going to do first is to clearly outline the topic and the key points that we want to be covered. So here are some context that we're going to be providing to this AI tool. We're going to tell it to assume the role of a first grade math teacher that's going to be teaching her students about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then we're going to provide it with the necessary details and information about what we want. For example, we're also going to provide it with a task of what it's going to do with the information that we just provided. For example, some specifics like we want a 13-slide presentation, including a title slide, some pictures, and so on. And then finally, we're also going to include the goal of the presentation because we need to make sure that it's going to be heading to the right direction with the output that it's going to give us. So once we press enter right here, now it's just going to provide us some output depending on the information that we have given it. Now, all we have to do is to go over the outline of the presentation that it has created. If everything looks good, then you can proceed with the next step. If not, if you found some problems or some missing points, you can just add it here and it will update its output. But if you think this is good, then we can proceed to the next step. Now, the next step would be to give it a task of creating an app script that we will be able to use in the Google Slides app. So this task is to write a Google app script that will allow you to click a custom menu button from within the Google Slides presentation that will generate those slides automatically. So if we press enter, now it's processing its answers and now it's generating the code that we need in our app script to be able to generate those slides. And within this output, it has given us all the instructions that we need. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to our Google Slides presentation, go to the extensions, and select App Script. Before we do that, what we're going to do is to copy the code that we are going to be inputting in our app script. So go back to Google Slides. So now we go to extensions and select App Script. What we can do first is to rename this project. Let's call it Math Slides. Rename, and there you have it. Now, if there are any scripts existing in this space right here, all you have to do is to select them, then delete. Now that we've copied our code, it's time to paste it. So right-click and paste, or you can just do Control-V or Command-V. Now that we've pasted our code, all we have to do now is to, again, save it, then click on Run. And here in our execution log, it will tell us that it has started and the execution has been completed. Now, if this is the first time that you're running a script, it will be asking you special permissions that you should allow for this script to run in Google Slides. So go ahead and accept those permissions. And now we're back in Google Slides. If you haven't noticed it yet, we have here our custom menu, which is an addition here in our menu bar. If we click on it, it will tell us now that we can generate our math slides. So if we click on that, and there you have it, it has now generated slides according to the context and details that we have provided it. Now, I didn't include any much specifics on my definition. That's why, as you see here, there are not a lot of text within my slides. But that's okay. I can always go back to ChatGPT and add more details into my context so that the next time I have a code, I will have more in my slides next time. But for now, we're going to make do with what we have. So after you've generated your slides, All you have to do now is to go over it, apply some layout, and customize this to make it your own. So first, what we're going to do is to right-click on the first slide and apply a layout. So right-click, apply a layout, and we're going to make it our title slide. And there you have it. Now, if you want to add a background for all of your slides, all you have to do is to go to View, select Theme Builder, and select the master slide right here. This is where you can add your background so that you don't need to edit every single slide on your presentation. Let's go ahead and insert an image right here. Go to Insert, select Image, upload from any source you want. I'm going to have mine from the computer. Select the one that I like, click on Open, and there you have it. Now I'm just going to order this to the back. There you go. And right here is where we're going to format and edit all of our text so that, again, we don't have to do it for every slide because we already have our slides. Doing that one by one would be not time efficient. So go ahead and edit your text for each of the text that you have existing on your slides. So let's go ahead and edit this. I'm just going to turn this into white to have it in contrast of our dark background. Then change the font style into this one. Make it bigger, maybe put it in bold. And our next level of text, that will be in white as well. Next one, same font style. And there you have it. So any changes that you make here in the theme builder, especially on this master slide, will automatically be applied to all of your slides and to your layouts. So if we exit this and go back to our slide, there we have it. Now it's looking much better with this new background and with our formatted text. And that's how to auto-generate slides with the help of ChatGPT here in Google Slides. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.